freaking out a little. Okay, here we go. You ready? Ready? Set. Go! You're gonna get me bust for my butt.
Oh shoot. What happened? What happened?
Okay, here we go.
You gotta take him up the snowbank and then down. And then when he kind of gets it, you want to whip him.
What?
Bring him up the snowbank and then down. And then when he gets like to the bottom, like you want to whip him. He can handle a lot more than you think. Because I was whipping him and he was fine.
Okay, you ready? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Hold on tight.
Oh my God.
I can't.
You're lame. See, Mommy's lame. Mommy doesn't do it right. There you go. Now just start. Yeah, bring your arm up. There you go. There you go, honey. Try to get it towards the center, so.
That's exhausting.
Yeah, tell me about it.
More? I know you're gonna get me falling face first.
Oh, that's what I'm hoping. There you go. Now keep your feet moving.
More?
I don't think so, buddy. I think Mommy and Daddy are tired. Okay, one more. Daddy will do one more. Okay? Daddy do it? It's still recording. Okay, you hold on tight.
Oh, that's exhausting.
There you go. Okay, hold on tight.
April 8th and we're still playing in the snow.
There you go. Hold on with your other hand. Good job. Ready? Ready? Set. Good job.
Yay! Look at all the snow on him.
You did a good job. Look at your face, or it's in your neck, or it's down your shirt. Okay.
Was that fun? Did you like that?
Say thank you, Mama.
Say thank you. Aw, you're welcome.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta go dry you off. Maybe we should stop recording because he's gonna